You know what that sound is? Ooh. It's the sound of saving lives. I love that sound. I'm saving lives! This is so easy, anybody can do it. Did you know that if you do this, well, not that, you've got a better chance of living? Pretty sweet deal. Ooh, that might have been your life. Wait, let me wait for the car to go by. Hope that guy's wearing a seatbelt. 16 to 18-year-olds have the highest crash ratio of any other age group. 16 to 18-year-olds. You get in a lot of accidents. Why do you think that is? Hormones! No. Truth is, you haven't done it very much. It's not the easiest thing in the world to drive. So if I were you, I'd do this. So when you get in an accident, you'll have a higher chance of living. Hey, 17-year-old, put your seatbelt on. We need you. You're running this country someday. Did I really say that? Running this country? Did I just tell the 17-year-olds that they'll be running our country? Did you see the kid in the front row with the pimply face? I just told him he'll be running the country? Oh man, are we in trouble.